he scored when he jammed in one off the ruck, and Angus Crichton, you know, blindsides him and still can't stop him. He's a freak in attack, but on the edges defensively, when they played Melbourne in the first semi, Melbourne pulled them apart like a hot chook, you know. So you think South's attack on that edge, you know, will probably do the same. Like, you know, I think Manly defensively has to really improve against the real good. I think attack, you know, with Tom, they've got enough points. They're so classy when it comes to attack. I think defensively, you know, that's where they've got to really do.
And that's the issue, Gordon. So you sit there because the teams that Gers was alluding to that Manly have beaten haven't been talented enough to pull apart Manly's right. But South Sydney, Penrith and Melbourne, they're masters at it. So more than half of
what do you reckon?
Yeah, but I tell you what, it's about to get real for him now. And unless
just hang on down there, I'm just having a look.
To protect him. And look, I'll tell you one thing, Gordon. Tell me what you think of this. I've asked a couple of people. They all look at me in the which I can see could be a bit of a let me ask you this. Given the deadliness of South's left edge attack, of Melbourne's left edge attack, okay, why wouldn't you defend melting the wax on his wings? Icarus. What Angel, what's the score, old mate? Is it 3-1 to 50? 3-2 50. Go Shifty, here we go. What is the capital of Kenya? Yes. Alright. Yeah. 4-2. Righto Shifty. Just hang on. In Nairobi, yeah, I can't walk the streets over there, mate. Oh, 2. In what country was Tony Greco? Yeah. Breathe. Okay. Or breathe. What do we call the wife of a sultan? What do we call a sultan? 5, 4, 3. Live on the listener app. LISTNR. Menzies and Pole French Bull. Same local owners. Same great service for mechanical, tyres, batteries and fuel.
This is Rockies 101.5. Triple M News.
Hi, Lee Jollo here with your national news briefing. Victoria's unveiled by Premier Daniel Andrews, painting a much more open picture. Melburnians will be able to catch up with friends outside and take part in outdoor activities at 80% first vaccination in about a week's time. At 70% full vaccination, more people will be able to gather outdoors at pubs and clubs. That's around October 26th. And as for 80% total vaccination,
This guy for the rock step back. copy. Yeah, I'm good so far.
How are you on that?
Fucked at the moment, mate.
I can't hear any spotters, please. If you can.
EL77486. Come and check out our brand new interactive showroom